Good morning, Prep 2. I'm Mr. Walid. Today we'll take a new revision with the first term for Prep 2 for algebra. First, complete the additive inverse of the number square root 1 9 over 16. As we know, it's a mixed number. We have to change it into improper fraction first, then we get the root for the numbers. Then y by 16 equal 16 plus 9 equal 25. Then we can write 25 over 16. Then we get 25 root for 25, square root for 25 equal 5, and square root for 16 equal 4. Then we can get 9, 25 over 16 equal 5 over 4. Also, square root 9 over 25, second example, we can get 9 square root for 9 equal 3, and square root for 25 equal 5. Then we get 3 over 5. Here another example. Solve the equation for 3 minus 4x equal negative 5 where x belongs to q. What does it mean, solve the equation? It means find the value of x or find the SS. As we know, we have two different things. We take before the equation and also the inequalities. What does it mean? The difference between the equation and the inequality. Equation, it means equal between the two sides. In the middle, we find equal. And the inequality, we find more than and less than. Here, it's equation, as we know. We find equal. Then, we have to change 3 to the other side with the opposite sign. So here, 3 is positive. We have to put it in the other side with a negative. Then we can say negative 4x equal negative 5 minus 3. Then we get negative 4x equal negative 5, negative 3 equal negative 8. Then x and negative 4, between them multiply. We make it by the other side with divide. Then we can say x equal negative 8 divide negative 4, then x equal 8. Then we can find the SS or solution set for the equations equal 2. Another example, find in Q the SS of the inequality 2x plus 5 less than 9. Two x plus 5, we can use the same rules for the equation. Then first we have to put positive 5 to the other side with the opposite sign. Then we can say negative 5 on the other side. Then 2x less than 9 minus 5. Then we can say 2x less than 4. Okay? Then 2x, it means 2 times x. Then we can put 2 to the other side with divide because it's multiply with x. Then we can say x less than 4 divide 2, then x less than 2. Here the SS is intervals, not numbers. Then we can say x less than or more than, here x less than. Then we can say SS equal negative infinite, it's always open, and 2 open. Why 2 open? As we see, here is no equal. That's x less than 2, not less than or equal. Then we can say the interval is negative 2, negative 8, infinite, and 2. Both of them are open. Another example, find the value of square root negative 1 over 9 square plus square root 64 over 81 minus square root 3 over 7 power 0. First, we have to get negative 1 over 9 square. It means negative 1 by negative 1 equal 1. Divide 9 under square. يبقى negative 1 by negative 1 equal 1. 9 by 9 equal 81. 1 over 81 under square. Then we can get square root for 1 over 81 equal 1 over 9. Plus square root for 64 divide 81. Square root for 64 equal 8. Square root for 9 equal, for 81 equal 9, then we can get 8 over 9 minus, as we took it before in prep 1, anything powers 0 equal 1, then we can say 3 over 7 power 0 equal 1, then we can get square root for 1 equal 1. By calculating, 1 over 9 plus 8 over 9 equal 1, minus 1 equal 0. Choose the correct answer from the given ones. First, the solution set of the inequality x less than 2 in n. You remember n, it means natural numbers. What is the natural numbers? Natural numbers, it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Then, x less than 2, it means the remaining numbers for natural numbers is 0 and 1. Then we can choose 0 and 1. Okay, second, if 5x equals 35, then find 2x plus 1. Okay, 5x equals 35. We find here 5 multiply x, or 5 times x. Then we put 5 on the other side with divide. Then we can say x equals 35 divide 5. It means x equals 7. Then we put 2x plus 1. It means 2 by 7 plus 1. 2 by 7 equal 14 plus 1 equal 15. Then we choose number C, 15. Another example, square root negative 8 square plus negative 6 square, also it's square root. Then we have to simplify first before finding root. Negative 8 square, it means negative 8 by negative 8 equal 64 plus negative 6 square, it means negative 6 times negative 6 equal 36. Then we can find 64 plus 36 equal square root 100. Then we can get square root for 100 equal 10. Number 5, if negative x more than 4, then x less than, this is inequality. And this is an important remark for this inequality. We find x times negative 1. Then we can make negative 1 on the other side, divide, because it's multiply with x. Then we can say x and negative 1 on the other side divided 4 over negative 1. When we make divide by negative number, we have to change the sign. If it's more than, make it less than, or less than, make it more than. Here we make 4 over negative 1, then we have to change the sign from more than to less than. Don't forget. Then we can say x less than negative 4. Another inequality, 2x plus 15 less than 19. We have to make 15. This is positive, and the other side put it negative 15. Then we can say 2x less than 19 minus 15. Then 2x less than 4. 2 times x, what does it mean? It means we have to put 2 on the other side with divide. Then we can say x less than 4 divide 2, then x less than 2. Another example, find in Z the solution set of the equation 3x plus 1 equal 25. We have to put positive 1 to the other side with negative 1, then we can say 3x equal 25 minus 1. It means 3x equal 24. 3 times x, it means we have to put 3 on the other side with divide, then we can say x equal 24 over 3, then x equal 8, then the SS equal 8. This is the end of our session, and thank you for prep 2.